still using shaky ladders and outdated scaffolding for high-reach jobs. Every minute spent climbing, repositioning, and balancing is time lost and risk added. When the job demands height, stability, and productivity, it's time to upgrade. Maximum platform height, 40 feet. Maximum working height, 45 feet 11 inches. That's enough reach for warehouse lighting systems, HVAC installations, and elevated construction work. Go higher, work safer, finish faster. The spacious platform measures 5 feet long, 3.8 feet wide, and supports up to 705 pounds of combined operator and tool weight. Need additional working space? The integrated platform extension slides out an additional 3 feet, allowing operators to reach difficult work areas without repositioning the machine. Combined with automatic leveling outriggers, operators maintain stability and confidence even in demanding environments. Strength starts at the foundation. This Flex features a reinforced platform chassis built from heavy-duty 0.31-inch steel plate construction, designed to withstand demanding industrial environments, heavy workloads, and years of professional use. This is equipment built for real-world job sites. Unlike traditional wheeled scissor lifts, this Flex utilizes a fully automatic track travel system. 13-inch by 95-inch tracks provide superior traction and stability across construction sites, gravel surfaces, muddy sites, industrial yards. Outdoor maintenance arrests the result. Greater stability, less ground pressure, more confidence on challenging surfaces. Powered by an advanced electric drive system, this Flex delivers clean, efficient performance. Hydraulic pump motor, 5.4 horsepower. Battery configuration, 86-volt, 200 ampere-hour batteries. Runtime, up to 8 hours on a full charge. Recharge time, approximately 6 to 7 hours. Work longer, reduce downtime. Stay productive throughout the day. Every movement is designed for precision, featuring intelligent control system, automatic leveling outriggers, forward and reverse drive controls, platform raise and lower functions, turtle speed precision mode, platform extension control, emergency stop system. The result is smooth, predictable operation and exceptional job site control. At TYPHON, safety comes standard. This Flex 4068ET includes heavy-duty guardrails, safety maintenance support rod, emergency stop controls, battery diagnostic display, main power isolation switch, stable scissor structure, automatic stabilization system. Every feature is designed to help operators work confidently at height. This Flex tackles inclines up to 30 degrees, giving operators the confidence to work where ordinary lifts simply can't. The TYPHON Flex Scissor Lift, built to go higher, built to work harder, built for professionals.